can put Play-Doh in these things and here, there, and there. And they both have these things, and these little holes are the things where the she goes on. See? It matches. This also came with the playset, but it wasn't on her, but it just matches. Here's Sophia the First. I also came with her Fred's castle, though. Here's the other one. We also, where's that? They're both different, and we can roll it, and it makes that and that. It's so awesome. There's that. Put it like this. Which is I'm showing you. Oh my gosh, I can't get it. Hold on, guys. I'm crazy. I'm a crazy person. Stop. Okay. Let's just put these right here. Okay. We also have a diamond. It cuts out Play-Doh. We just have to get Play-Doh, roll it up, put it like that. I also don't have a rolling pin. I just do this to roll it. We also have a heart. It cuts out Play-Doh also. Now I'm going to show you my colors of Play-Doh. Fiber, excuse me. I got this color, which is cool. I got black, blue, green, pink, and I'll show you my big Play-Doh. I also got these ones for Christmas, and I got blue, pink, yellow, black, let's call it orange. We also got 3 more colors that are green and yellow, blue and blue, light blue,
Green, teal,
green, teal, green. So I'm going to show, and I also got a Play-Doh knife, which is I use that for my big knife. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to play this playset.